Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Grafana Agent and push metrics to Prometheus. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Grafana Agent download page. You can find it by searching for Grafana Agent download in your preferred search engine. On the download page, select the appropriate version for your operating system. For Windows users, download the zip file. For Mac OS users, download the homebrew installation script. If you are using Linux, choose the appropriate binary or use a package manager like apt or yum. After downloading, extract the zip file if you're on Windows. For other operating systems, follow your system's specific installation instructions. Once you have installed the Grafana Agent, you need to configure it. Open the configuration file, typically named agent.yaml. In this file, you will set up the Prometheus integration. Start by specifying the Prometheus remote write endpoint. This is usually in the format of http:// Prometheus server port /API/v1/write. Also, define the metrics you want to collect in the configuration file. Include the scrape config section to specify which services or endpoints to monitor. For example, you might want to scrape metrics from a web server or a database. After editing the configuration file, save your changes. Next, you can start the Grafana Agent to begin collecting metrics. Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to the Grafana Agent directory. Run the command to start the agent, typically grafana agent config.file = agent.yaml. Monitor the log output for any errors or confirmations that the agent is running. Now, verify that metrics are being pushed to Prometheus. Navigate to your Prometheus web interface, usually at http:// Prometheus server port. Go to the Targets section to check if your Grafana Agent is listed in up. If everything is correctly configured, you should see your targets successfully scraping. You can also visualize the metrics in Grafana by creating new dashboards. Select the metrics you want to include and configure charts accordingly. With this setup, your Grafana Agent will continuously push metrics to Prometheus, giving you insightful data about your applications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.